What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to do a new car prep on this Lexus GS350. A customer brought me this vehicle, recently purchased it, and is looking to kind of protect the paint. As she knows, like, going through car washes isn't the best solution for, keeping your vehicle clean in the long run. So she wants to set this vehicle up for a kind of maintenance wash plan. So I'd recommend every customer, the first initial step is cleaning the vehicle and just at least waxing, if you're not ready for polishing. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today and clean up the interior a little bit. The vehicle, I don't even know how many miles, but it's low mileage. It's super clean, but you can tell on the dash it's real like shiny, so she doesn't really like that. They like use Armor All. It's kind of sticky, so we're gonna take that off for her and protect that with some leather protectant. But I'm just gonna take all the stuff out, vacuum, clean the carpets a little bit. The trunk is pretty clean. Just vacuum this up and do a wheel detail. Wheels aren't that bad. The barrels have seen better days. It's, not that bad. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing clean for her, and just do the best that we can. So yeah. So we switched to the interior. We're gonna use in the interior, like the dash. We're gonna touch the glass after we do the dash and all that stuff, and all the leather is the Adams interior detail. And then we're gonna go ahead and protect the leather and all the upholstery with the leather and conditioner in the seats. So yeah, let's get to it. And then we have the brush. So we're gonna just go ahead and spray a little bit and knock her out. So you want to shake it up a little bit. Okay. You just want to get all that. My main goal is getting all that Armor All off. Let's just see if that was achieved. Yeah. Cool. So we got all of that Armor All off. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the rag. I don't think I'm gonna use, well, I can use the brush on the top. Let's see. Okay. I'm just trying to get all that Armor All off. That was her biggest complaint. And we're gonna go ahead and touch the glass last. I know it's not gonna be perfect right now. But I mean, what it's doing right now is great. Yeah, you can, it's hard to explain, but you can almost like feel the Armor All come off. It's not dirty, but I'm just trying to get that gloss type of look off, you know? So I'm definitely gonna take some pictures for the Instagram. If you guys don't follow it, it's at MWorks Detailing. I'll post pictures on there, of course. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and follow that up. So it definitely does look a lot better. So this wood. Yeah, I mean they put this armor all like on everything that they saw, man. So it's just ugly looking. So I'm definitely with her on that. I wouldn't. I had a Corolla. It was kind of the same situation. It was just super dirty. Or armor-y. That's a word. Super contaminated. Not the cleanest. There's like this stuff. There's like this stuff on this. It's like, looks like spray paint on here. Let's take a note of that and tell her. I don't want it to look like spray paint. So, I mean, this car has a whole bunch of features I really don't know about. But, I don't know. It's a really nice car, man. Okay. Checking, making sure all this is clean up. And then at the end, I go ahead and go over it with the vacuum on the interior, so it won't be dirty. Cause I know I'm knocking a bunch of dirt and crap right back onto the floor. All right, so cup holders. Yeah, this comes. So her biggest concern was the interior. She just wants to keep it clean and riding forever. Clean, dressed, all of the leather, as you guys can see. I went ahead and cleaned the carpets, the mats, wiped down all the glass, you know, cleaned all in there, and I just got everything, you know, really clean. So I also did the trunk. If you guys want to take a look at that, I have the license. Alright, here's the trunk, and then this is all her stuff. I took everything out, vacuumed it. I mean, it's super clean. So now we're going to go do the exterior. Check-in time, it is 10:30. Started at what, 8 o'clock? So just taking my time. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the outside. All right. So we're gonna clean the wheel. This little pole's in the way, but this is my APC all-purpose cleaner. You're gonna want to spray this liberally, you know, around the wheel and then the wheel well. Try to get into the barrel of the wheel. Okay. And then I get a little water to kind of lubricate it. This thing is dirty. I already did all 4 wheels, so I was just showing you guys one wheel, so you don't have to watch, you know, all 4. Front calipers were, the rotor was a little bit big, so this thing couldn't fit. So I'm gonna tell her about I offer full wheel detail, wax your wheels. She's interested. I take off the wheels and I do them at once. And get this. Try to get the lining. Oops. Get all cleaned off, and then spray it off. So I just went ahead and clayed the surfaces that are flat, like trunk, hood, or roof, and then hood, and it's pretty bad. So this is what it looks like. The side panels, they don't need to be clayed. They're super smooth. It was just the tops. I guess she parks. All right, so I went ahead and waxed the entire vehicle. So now I'm just waiting for it to kind of cure. As you guys can see, and the sun a little bit. I'm not trying to show the license plate, but the whole car is waxed and ready to be wiped down. So what I use, let's see if I can get this. I use detail spray and then that right there. So yeah, that's next step, and we'll be about done. Put a little tire shine on her, and then I'm gonna call her up. So yeah, all right guys, just finished the car. Getting all the wax off, put a little tire shine on it. The car looks amazing, guys. I use Adams Americana wax. It's a carnauba wax. You guys can see the results. The vehicle looks amazing. Here's the inside look. Smells great in here.